Hey guys, Sam from 3D here. In this short video I would like to show you how you can change the color of the object or the color, for example, of the legs. First of all, which is the most important thing, you need to be in the object mode. So not in the edit mode or pose mode, in the object mode. Then you need to click on the legs or on any other object you want to change the color of. I clicked on the legs, then I need to go to the material properties. Now I need to find the material which I want to change. I want to change the legs. Here under the base color, basically I can change it super easily. If you want to change the material, you can play here with it, just slide it and you will see how it will react, how it will change, and it's super fun to do. So this is how easy it is to change the color of the object. In the next video I will show you how you can change the color of the skin, because it's a little bit different. Thank you, I'm Sam from 3D and see you in the next video. Bye.